I'm selling this account for 15 bucks. So if y'all are interested, let me know in the comments. Put your Discord or something in there, and then I'll hit you up. It's pretty fire, man. And for the boys that don't know how this car works, take it for a quick speed down there. See about the Hellcat, I don't even know, because the cars in here aren't the best cars, but you already know it's alright. This isn't my main fit, by the way, y'all. I'm just doing this as a joke. If I sold that, I would have enough. I think I have enough for this. Pretty slow. How fast is the most expensive car? Just fast. Your username in the comments and add me up. I'll add as many of you guys as I possibly can, and we can play wherever you guys want. Whenever I'm online. School days are kind of hard for me because after school I go work out and then I do stuff. Boys, but that's it for the video right now, because I'm gonna head to bed because it's like 11 o'clock, so I'm just